Hey, this is my online teacher YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome and please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video lesson is uploaded. Our lesson is about dividing a fraction by another fraction. And the objectives of the lesson is to divide a fraction by another fraction and solve real-life math problems involving division of fraction by another fraction. Let us have an example. Tina has 1 meter or 1/2 meter of cloth to be made into handkerchiefs. How many handkerchiefs can she make if she uses 1/8 meters of each? So let's find out how to compute 1/2 divided by 1/8 equals n. Let's follow these steps. 1. Write the reciprocal of the divisor, then change the division operation to multiplication. Do not forget that 1/2 is our dividend. Say with me, dividend. Good. And 1/8 is our divisor. Say it with me, divisor. Right. Now, let us write the reciprocal of the divisor. When we say reciprocal, we will switch the numerator and the denominator. So 1/2, let's switch 1 and 8. 8 will become the numerator and 1 will become the denominator. And then change the division operation into multiplication. So the division operation will become multiplication. I hope you followed. Next, use cancellation method. You can use cancellation method or you can multiply numerators and multiply the denominators. Let us multiply first the numerators if we will come up with the same answer using the method of cancellation. So 1 times 8 is 8 and 2 times 1 is 2. Now, and let's divide 8 and 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Let's use the cancellation method. 1/2 times 8. So, think of a number that we can divide 2 and 8 with the same number without a remainder. What do you think? Correct, it's 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Let us multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 1 times 4, 1. 1 times 4 is equal to 4, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So this also means 4. So did we come up with the same answer? Yes, we came up with the same answer. So whether you would want to multiply the numerators and the denominators or use the cancellation method, the answer would be the same. Use the more appropriate method for any equation. So here is another example. 3/5 divided by 9/10. The first step is to switch or write the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 9/10. Let's just copy 3/5. So let's switch 10 will be the numerator and 9 will be the denominator. And let's change the division sign into multiplication sign. Now, what do you think is more appropriate to use? The long method or the division method or the cancellation method? You got it right. It is more appropriate to use the cancellation in this set of fractions. So, 3 and 9. Think of a number that we can divide 3 and 9 without a remainder. Same number. Yes, it's 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Next, 5 and 10. Think of a number that we can divide both 5 and 10 without a remainder. Yes, it's number 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our new set of fraction is 1 times 2/3. So now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer for this example is 2/3. We can no longer reduce this to lowest term since our product is already at its lowest term. Now, it's your turn. Try 4/9 times, divided by 2/3 in 1 minute. The timer starts now. Right, so let us answer it together. 4/9 divided by 2/3. Our first step is to switch or write the reciprocal of the divisor 2/3. Let's switch the numerator and the denominator. So our denominator is 3, let's put it on the numerator. And 2 will become our denominator, and change the division sign into multiplication sign. So what do you think? Do you want to use long method or use cancellation method? Either of which, I believe that we will come up with the same answer. As for me, I will be using the cancellation method. So let's use cancellation method and think of a number that we can divide 4 and 2 without a remainder. Correct. It's number 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next, 3 and 9. Think of a number that we can divide both 3 and 9 without a remainder. Again, you gotta try. 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So this is our new set of fractions. 2/3 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 1 is 3. So this is our answer. If your answer is 2/3, you gotta try. So remember, to divide a fraction by another fraction, change the division operation to multiplication, then write the reciprocal of the divisor. Next, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Reduce the answer to the lowest term whenever possible. For your assignment, answer 1/3 divided by 5/8. And that's all for my online teacher YouTube channel. I hope you learned about dividing a fraction by another fraction. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video lesson is uploaded. Good day and happy learning!